My friends, it's time for show and tell time with John on the range. I bought this at a gun show because my youngest son thought it looked really cool. It's called an MCK, and I don't know anything else about it, but it's a Glock chassis. This goes in there like that, locks in place like so, and then you're good to go. Put that in there. Let's shoot it. It's the worst optic in the world. It doesn't even have a brand name on that. It came with a gun for free, and still I feel ripped off. That's where like China's like, I don't want responsibility for this so bad. I think I should name it either Sprocket or Fury. Let me know in the comments, Sprocket or Fury, or write in your own. But we need to name this, right?